So here's the gas meter, and we're getting ready to run the gas all the way up the side of the house and back to the generator. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we route it. Installing the ball valve. We can shut off the gas when we need to. Alright, so now Ross is here fitting up one of the vertical runners that's going to lead to the top branch that goes all the way to the back, and then it goes around the corner and connects to the piece that goes down to the generator. And this is some beautiful work, folks. Look at this connection here. Perfectly, professionally done. You carefully measure each piece of pipe and then cut it to length.
Smarter, not harder, right?
Now that we have our riser in, we can do our run. After we've installed and leveled the unit strut, we can run the lateral. Leveling the unit strut. So the lateral one's done and it looks really good all the way down. Got it supported every 8 feet per code, and all the way down to the meter, and down we go. Got a little bird in there. Now that we're done with the lateral, we're working our way around the corner. So now we're done with the corner, and now we're doing the lateral before the final drop. Down to the generator. Alright, we've done the final drop, and now all we have to do is the flex connection, the dust drip, and the pressure gauge. And we'll be ready for inspection. We'll show you once it's all hooked up. Okay, we got our sediment trap, installing our pressure gauge, test gauge, we got a shutoff valve, and next we'll install our flex connection and we'll be ready for inspection. All right, Ross, smile for Grandma.
Hi, Mama.
Hey, there you go. See? He's doing a great job, Emma. Now we're just going to test it for leaks, put a little pressure on it, and see if it holds. Now we can test it for leaks and call for inspection. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice day.